ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
प्रत्ययः परश्च आदिदातश्च अनुदात्तौ सुप्पितौ गुप्तिष्किद्भ्यः सन् मान् बदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य धातोः कर्मणः समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा सुप आत्मनख्य च काम्यच्च उपमानादाचारे अधिकरणाचेति वक्तव्यम्। कर्तृक्यं सलोपश्च सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विद्वा वक्तव्यः। वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वे लोपश्च हलः लोहितादिडाज्भ्यच्यश कष्टाय क्रमणे कर्मणो रोमन्ततपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने शब्दवैरकलगाभ्रकन्वमेघेभ्यः खरणे सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम् नमो वरिवश्चित्रमित्य च पुच्छभाण्डचीवरान्निङ् मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनावृतवस्त्रहलकलकृततुस्थेभ्यो निच
उण्डमिश्रशक्षणा लवण व्रत वस्त्रहलकलकृतधुस्तेभ्यो निच
धातोरेकाचो हलादे क्रिया समभिगारे यङ्
धातोरेकाचो हलादे क्रिया समभिहारे यन्
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
लुपसदसरजप जपदगदशगृभ्यो भावगर्भायाम्
उपसदचर जप जप दह दश गृहोभ्यो भावगर्भ्यायाम्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणा स्थूलश्लोकसेनालोमत्वचवर्मवर्णचूर्ण चुरादिभ्यो निच
सत्यापपाचरूपवीणा स्थूलश्लोकसेनालोमत्वच वर्णचूर्णचूरादिभ्यो निच
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति च
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
विपूदूपविच्छि पणिपणिभ्य आयः
गुपूधूपविच्छी पणिपणिभ्य आयः
ऋतेरीयम्
ऋतेर्यङ्
आय कमेर्निङ्
कमेर्णिङ्
आयादय आर्द्रधातुके वा
आयादय आर्द्रधातुके वा
सनादिन्तादातवः
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
सितासीर्लुटोः
स्यतासीर्लुटोः
सिब्बगुलं लेटी
सिब्बगुलं लेटी
कास्प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि
कास्प्रत्ययामन्त्रे लिटि
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो धृच्छः
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो धृच्छः
दयायासश्च
दयायासश्च
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
दीह्रीधृभुवां श्लुवच्च
भीह्रीभृभुवां श्लुवच्च
पृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
रुञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
विदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
विदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाद् विदामक्रन्निति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाद् विदामकृन्निति छन्दसि
श्रीलुङि
श्लीलुङि
श्लेघेसि च
श्लेघेसि च
शलयुपधादनिटखसः
चलयुगपथा अनिटः खसः
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
न दृशः
न दृशः
निषेदृसृभ्यः कर्तरि चङ्
निःश्रितृभ्यः कर्तरि चङ्
विभाषाद्धेक्ष्योः
विभाषाद्धेक्ष्योः
उपेश्छन्दसि
उपेच्छन्दसि
नो नयति ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्धयतिभ्यः
नूनयति त्वनयत्यर्धयतिभ्यः
नो नयति ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्धयतिभ्यः अस्यति ख्यादिभ्यो अङ्
अस्यति वक्सीभ्यो अङ्
लिपि सिचि ह्वश्च
लिपि सिचि ह्वश्च
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
उषादि द्युता द्युलदितः परस्मैपदेषु
उषादीद्युताद्युल्लितः परस्मैपदेषु
I think some Ajadi examples. In the last class we did everything. Nijantarupam also went to Dhatu, Dhatu we did. Now we will do more examples. Do you try any homework? The Dhatu?
Yes, try.
Try that.
Yes.
Okay. We will do more Dhatus, and if you have any problem in homework, we will do that also. So
Okay.
I'll just list down the Dhatus. What are all the Ajanta Dhatus? Ajanta Dhatu, we can do more examples. I mean, of course, all Dhatus. First we'll do Ajanta. And Ajanta already we did some, we can take up more. So the sutras regarding the San Pratyaya, the list of sutras which are involved. Now that is this you can remember this list, and we will add more sutra when it comes to the Abhyasa Karya, even Anga Karya, Sarkaranta, etc. Tatyaya Adesha, not the Dhatu Adesha, Itakama Sutrari, then Atidesha, extending Kittom, Atidesha, Hikojal and all important, where this specific dhatus, when it comes across, samcha, then Kittom is extended, therefore no Angakarya. So Hikojal, Halantacha, and this also, then Vittam related, and Abhyasa Karyani. This Dvirvachanayachi, that elaborately we saw, two different versions. One is by Kashika, other one is by Kaumadikara. Anyway, you do it same. You follow Kaumadikara, do Vitvakaryam first and then Angakarya. I mean Ajadesha. Angakarya, Ajadesha, whatever it is. Ajadesha. Ajadesha can be done after the from that is the Danta Kaumadis, Paras, right? So therefore Angakarya, it means for us Vittam first and then Angakarya. Ajadesha also, you can see it, some Angakarya is also there in form of Ajadesha. So that's why I say Angakarya can be done later after Vittam. Anyway, you can do, we'll try also. Other what happens, we'll see. We'll take some dhatu and do. So Dvirachane, the sutra we saw elaborately. Then now the list of dhatus, what we have seen. Ik Sparane, for which the form is Ishisha. Then in Adhyayane, in Adhyayane dhatu, then Ying dhatu, then after that, dhatu, this which I gave us homework, but also I did in the class itself. Dhatu, form is Ushisha, Ushishateti, then Ab dhatu, Ajadi, therefore Ab, Ajadi, Alanta dhatu, then Rad dhatu, Ardi, each sati in form, yes, Ardi Deshati also it is there. And Yedha, Yedru, Vruddhav, 7, then Akka, Ak, Kutilayam Gatau, then Ag, but also Kutilayam Gatau, then At Dhatu, last we did At Dhatu, was different forms we did for that. So here I will add some more Dhatu, because this Dhatu we have done for all the Lakaras, not only that, Nijantarupam and Nijantarupam of all the Lakara. And we did something else also. Nijanta Sanantarupam also. That also we did for this Dhatu. So at that just a try we did. So now I will do some more Dhatus. It means before the at dhatu. But then last class you asked something. Rikara, right? Ru dhatu.
Yes.
Ru dhatu. Okay. You said you have some. What is that? Some problem in doing it. You will do it. We'll see Ru dhatu. Which gana is that? Ru dhatu. Gana anyway, it doesn't matter. But
Bhuvadigana first.
Vadi gana.
Yeah.
It means prapane.
Gati prapanayoha.
Oh, sorry, this is dhatu part. Yes, gati prapane yoga. Prapane. Let us take this. Gati prapane yoga. Gati prapana yoga. Bhuvadigana dhatu. Parasmaipadi dhatu is anit dhatu, right? Dhatu is anit dhatu. With regard to sun, is it anit or state? We have to check the dhatu anit, what is given in the original, it is given rikara. It is anit. Is it anit dhatu? With regard to the sananta.
What is
We see
Sananta
it.
is set.
Hmm?
Regard to Sananta is set in the list.
Regarding sananta, it is said. How do you know? Here, under it rakaranam. Let's see. Here it is. By what sutra? This one. There is one sutra by which this is given. Say. Just a minute, I'll show you that. Dhatu, which is and it for here it is said. You also can check my document. Saranta updated there under it. Rakaranam. Dhatu is Vikaranta Ridhatu, specifically Ridhatu, whose in fact we have done Ridhatu by it is anit, but here we will take it as it by because of the sutram. Here it is. Let's see under said. We did before Ridhatu. The following 50 dhatus become said with regard to sun. These 15 dhatus. These 5 dhatus in Parasmapadi become
Also in the specific Set Ajanta Data, you are given R separately and you have mentioned the following 10 dhatus are Set before that in this list.
before this.
For the list of the following dhatus are Set, short summary of it regarding sun. That is the topic. Yeah, here.
Gati Prapanayogo, yeah. Set Ajanta Data. This is based on here. It
Sun
is.
Pratya.
Yeah, it is discussed here. With regard to sun, Ari Rishati, this is a form. This is by the Sutra. Smi Poom. Here it is. Smi Poom and R also it is there. Smi Poom, then R.
Anchu, then
Anchu, Ashu, iti etesham, dhatu nam, sani, it akam, 7 to 74. By that, this dhatu, smi dhatu, ru dhatu. Smi dhatu and ru dhatu, they are anit. That's what we saw, it's anit. But 7 to 34 is after 7 to 35. Therefore, when San Pratyaya follows, it is it. That's why I said you need to remember this 7 to section. So 7 to 74 by that, the ru is this said that, therefore, right? So therefore, what will happen? Said dhatu, putting back here now. You have to go back and forth like this. So because it is said now, Kati Prapanayogo, here I write anit, though it is anit, it is general anit, but here it is said. Ekara plus sun, is the dhatu, and it is said, therefore, isa. Now what will happen? R plus isa. This is not jaladi, therefore can cause angakari. And also Angakarya negated only for Ecojal, Alantar, etc. But here it is not. Right? Therefore, it can do Angakarya. Sarvadhatika, Ardhadhatika Yoga. Either you can do Dvitam and do Angakarya, or Angakarya and then Stanivat, like Kashika. Anyway, you can do. It will be the same form only. That I think I have done this before. Not here. Okay, some other dot. I'll show you later. So therefore, here, suppose if you do Angakarya, R will become R plus Isa. So you will get Arisa. Arisa. Now Ajadeghe Dutiyasya. Ajadeghe Dutiyasya Dvitiya Ach is Ris. So therefore here what will happen? Ris and Risa. Ris and Risa. Ala Risheshaha. So Ri will be there. Sakara will be dropped. Ari. So Ari Risa. You can do Shatvam. You get Ari. Risha. Ari Risha. So Ari Risha is Ari Rishati. This is a form, right? Sanantarupam of is Ari Rishati. Can check Sanantarupam website. Ari Rishati. So Anit Dhatu, with regard to sun, becomes Set, therefore Itagama Ari Risha. Therefore Ari Rishati. Understand? So therefore Artum Ichati. Artum Ichati Ari Rishati. Gantum Ichati Ari Rishati. So this is following the Kashika method. Suppose if it, Siddhanta Prabhu. Even other way also you will get the same thing. That it is Tanyot Bhavaha. Here we do Dvitam and then Ajadesha. This is Angakarya. Suppose if you do other way. Other way, what will happen? For that, we know the sutra, Urat. right? When you do duplication. So ruvarnasya ar adesha bhavati. Urat happens. So ru plus sun. Suppose if you do Angakarya first, ru will become Dvitam first. So ru will come Dvitam first. But here problem we cannot see. Ru plus isa. Now ru plus isa, e plus a. Then what will happen? E plus a. So that is why we say ru plus e plus a. It has to first Angakarya to be done. So this is a very peculiar case here. So ru plus isa. If we do Dvitam, if we go by Kashika, Ajadeshaha first and then Dvitam. Dvitam, yeah. Here we have done with first Angakarya. Here we have done Angakarya and then Dvitam. Therefore, Aririshati. Sarvadhataka Adhataka Yoga by the Gunangakarya. And then we did the Angakarya first, followed by Dvitam. If you do Dvitam first, you can do Dvitam also first. If you do Dvitam, I think you see, Ru will become anyway because of Isa. First, this Ru will undergo the Karya, Ar will come, and here you will have Ru. So the Ru is just the now. Here it is. It is said. It is said. Therefore, Ru will not undergo duplication. Sorry, no, because Ajadege Dvitiya is here. Dvitiya is E. The E alone will undergo duplication, not Ru. Okay. Because this is Ajadi Dhatu. So Ajadege Dvitiyasya, so Ru will remain as it is. So Dvitiyasya will undergo change. So therefore, here Dvitiya is E. So it becomes is. To do, then what will happen? Is a very achievement. Just a minute. Do Angakarya and then this. So if you do Ajadege, so this is a then now. Yeah, here we have the problem. So because this is Ajadi Dhatu, because this is Ajadi Dhatu, so therefore second H will undergo Dvitam. The second H is E. The second H is E, and here it is Ajadi San. Here also Ru plus Ru, two vowels are there together. So here we have the issue. That is, I think that's why in the last class I got stuck here. I told you I'll tell you to this class. So if you do Guna first, Angakarya first, followed by Dvitam, you get the form Aririshati. So for Rikaranta Dhatu, Rikaranta Set Dhatu, Rikaranta Set Dhatu, Angakarya followed by the Dvita Karya. So you get Aridisha. And here this you cannot apply it. Okay, let us see. Dvirvachane Achi. I just Dvirvachane Achi. That is example of is given on 159. Dvirvachane Achi. Tarkata Sutra Anusatya Kashikayaha Artaha. That is Yam Hajadeshaka Kevalam Vitta Karyatate Tanivat Bhavati. This this is a dhatu which is ekach dhatu, which is purely a vowel. So if this vowel is followed by this is consonant alanta ajadi halanta dhatu. If it is ajadi halanta dhatu, then you will not have problem. You can do by kashika or by Siddhanta Kaumudi method. Siddhanta Kaumudi Kara, by that if Dittam first and then Ajadesha. Kashika method, Ajadesha and then Dittam. In that case, we will not have problem. That is, the dhatu is ajadi dhatu, and of course, ajadi halanta dhatu, followed by ajadi sun. But this is rikaranta dhatu. This is very peculiar here. So therefore, here you need to do angakarya first, followed by vitvam. Okay. And also, yeah, it's okay. It's not ecogel. It's not kid therefore, okay, fine. So please note this. So we have done the Ritu Dhatu before. Ritu Dhatu and all it is, that it is not a problem. Ritu Dhatu, Ab Dhatu, etc. But here it is being an, even the Dhatu, what we have seen done before, let us see. Dhatu. Ab Dhatu is Ajadi, Halanta Dhatu, Ed Dhatu, then Ab Dhatu, Dhatu. Dhatu also here. Ajigama. Oh. Jaladi Sun. This is Anid Dhatu, therefore Sani Pratyaya Pare will be this. Dirgattam will get. Here it is in Dhatu. Ed Dhatu. So Rikaranta Dhatu, we can note this Dhatu. So we cannot do by this R plus Sun. Sun is here. It is a set. Therefore, if it gets Ittagama, then we have to do the Angakarya. So here the Dvitiya Ach being Sakara, being Ikara. Therefore, if you do Dittam, you will have Anishta Rupa. So don't try this. Okay. I just leave it as it is here. Any explanation is given, let me see. So this is, you will not get Aririsha form. Okay. I thought this would be easy. No, this Vikaranta Dhatu is just to follow the Prakriya. First Guna Angakarya followed by Vitpa. Okay. So Dvirachane Achi, by that, when Ajadi Pratyaya follows, then with first we do Vittam and then do the Angakarya. But that is not there here. So first you do Angakarya and then Vitpa. Because the Dhatu is only, it is a Ekach Dhatu, it is Sajadi Dhatu. Other Dhatus, if you see, we have dhatus we have done where it is Ajadi and Halanta, or Haladi and Ajanta. But here it is something peculiar. Okay, so the form is
Sir,
here Ari Rishati. Just note this, yeah.
in the website, the same Ari Rishati only is given.
Yeah, this you cannot do like this. There's some explanations given. I will see. Okay.
Okay.
So this the Virvachanachi, in fact, no, we saw Umadikara takes Jitva first and then do Angakarya. But here, how can you do Jitva? Okay, let me check that. Okay. Solobhyartham, Kaumadikara Prakriya we follow, but Kaumadikara is all these things we have seen. Okay, in the beginning you see all these we have how we have done. So this Ikdhatu by which is Anit Dhatu, therefore this by this applying the sutra becomes Dirgha Ajadege Dvitiyasya. So Dvitiyach becomes Dvitiyach becomes duplicated. So easy sir. So here Anit Dhatu we don't have to worry. Anit Dhatu there is no problem. When Jaladi son follows, here also Jaladi son next one. This is also Anit Dhatu. So all these are Anit Dhatu. So Anit Dhatu, Jala, it is therefore Ajadeke Dvitiyasya. So that becomes easy. All these are Anit Dhatu. Which is also Anit. Dhatu also Anit. Yach Jana Kama Jana Kamam Sani by the Dirgatom. So this is also Anit. Ruddhatu is weight. So Hit Bave. Here we did Hit Bave. Here it is Ajadi, but Alanta Dhatu. So therefore you get the form here. But our case is very peculiar that then It Bave. If it is it, then also we did Angakarya first and then Ditton. Adhidishati. So Yed Dhatu. Here also it is said Dhatu, therefore Yedisa you get and then Vittakarya. Where no Angakarya happens, therefore Yedisa you get. Utilayam Dhatu, Akdhatu, Ajadi Dhatu, and it is said Dhatu, Akisa get the form. Similarly, Agga also Akisa and R. For R Dhatu, it is Guna first, Angakarya first, and then Vittakarya. Because this is Ajadi Dhatu. So Ajadi, and it is not Halanta. It is Ekach Ajadi Dhatu. So Adiresha is the form. Okay. You can note. So therefore, when we do the Sananta of the, we do the Sananta Rupam of the Dhatu, said Dhatu, and if it is Ajadi, then Angakarya first, followed by Dvitva. We cannot do Dvitam here. The Dvitam, the problem happens here. How will you do the Dvitam of Isa? So you will get Anishta Rupa. So here, okay, this part I will discuss and tell you. This is a good thing. That's why you gave us homework. But it is just this problem. Okay, fine, no problem. Let us see the next one. I will explain this next class. The next one. So Gati Prab. In fact, Hari Rishati, before also I have done the same thing. Hari Rishati, the form. As an example, I just saw before. That also Hari Rishati only. Okay. The next dhatu you let us take. I take some example of as in Ajadi dhatu. Dhatu beginning with Aj. So R is over. Then if we come across any Ekash Ajadi, Ajadi and it is Ajanta Dhatu. I'll let you know. So Ri is only Dhatu, as I know. Whereas all other Dhatus, we have Ekach Dhatu, which is just a one lettered and it is such, but the Pratyaya is, it is Anit. So therefore, there is no Yuktagama. Like a Vung Dhatu, etc., what we saw before. But this is something, a peculiar case. Okay, next Dhatu, let us take. Don't worry about this, you will see. I will let you know the next class. So next Dhatu, Okra Dhatu. And Dhatu, there are many Ajadi Dhatus. We'll take one by one. Okra Dhatu. Yeah. Okra. Shoshana. Shoshana. Shoshana Alamartayoho. Dhatu is Okra Dhatu. I take this Dhatu because this is Ajadi Dhatu. Ajadege Dvitiyasya. The meaning is Shoshana Artayoho. Vadigana Pasvipad Dhatu. It is Set Dhatu. This is a Set Dhatu. Dhatu is Oak. Oak plus Sun. Here no Angakarya possible, therefore Oak plus Sun. You get Oak plus Sun. Oak is a is with the Sun Pratyaya. Now Ajadege Dvitiyasya. So Dvitiya is Kisa, therefore then then Kisa. This is the Abhyasa. Ube Abhyastam. Applying the Abhyasa Karya. Aladi Sheshaha. Skara will drop. Then Okisa. Then after that, Kugostuhu. Applying that. Kugostuhu. Kakara, which is a Kavarga, which will be replaced by corresponding Chavarga, which is Chi. Then by applying the finally Abhyase Charcha. Shakara will be replaced by corresponding Char letter, which is Chi. Therefore, Ochi. So Ochi Kisa. And you can apply Shatam also. You get Ochi Kisha. Therefore, final Rupam is Ochi Kisha. Ochi Kisha is a form. So Ochi Kisha. Ochi Kishati, Ochi Kishataha, Ochi Kishanti. So Okitum Ichati. Okitum Ichati, Ochi Kishati. Okitum Ichati, Oki Kishati. The meaning is to dry out, to decorate. It is sufficient to refuse to stop. So whatever meaning we take, Okitum Ichati, Oki Kishati. Sananta Rupam of this dhatu, let's see the form. Ochi Kishati, Ochi Kishataha, Ochi Kishanti. So Latlakara Rupam, Ochi Kishati. Ochi Kishati, Ochi Kishataha, Ochi Kishanti. Similarly, Ochi Kishet, Ochi Kishetam, Ochi Kishayu, or Ochi Kishatu, Ochi Kishatam, Okishantu, Lot Lakara. If it is Lang Lakara will be interesting. What will be Lang Rupam of this? Lang Lakara Rupam, this Ochi Kisha is the dhatu. That Ochi Kisha dhatu plus Lang form. Being Lang, therefore Atagama will come. Atascha Vriddhi will apply. So Ochi Kisha plus, suppose we did Pratama Kisha Ekavachanam. A plus O is au. So therefore form would be auchi kishat. Auchi kishat. Auchi kishatam. Auchi kishan. The form would be like that. Young group. Auchi kishat. Auchi kishatam. Auchi kishan. Okay. Then let us do the next dot. Homework, what else I give? If you tell me, you can do. If you have not done, we can do it. Next one is, this is 11th one. It's dhatu. 12th dhatu. Let us take the dhatu. I'm going by the order. This the list of the Ajanta dhatu. Let us take the next one. I'm not going to do all, but we can do some. Here, in Gato, Iksmarane we have done. In Adhyana also we have done. In Gato also we have done. There is another dhatu. Iki. Yeah. Iki Gato. The dhatu is Iki Gato. So let us do this dhatu. This is Idit dhatu. Idit dhatu. Therefore, Idito num dhatu. Therefore, you have Om Ink Gato. This is also Bhovadigana, Parasipati, Sakarmaka, said dhatu. So the dhatu is Ink dhatu. Iki Ink dhatu. Ink plus sun, said dhatu. So therefore, you will have Inkisa. Inkisa. Ajadege Dvitiyasya. So Ki will undergo Dvitvam. And Nandra Sanyoga here, the Num has taken the form of Nakara. Therefore, Akara will not participate in the Dvitvam. So we can keep Nakara as it is. Then Kis, then Kisa. This is Abhyasa, Ube Abhyastam. Then Aladisheshaha. So therefore you will have Ki, Kisa. Then this is Tuhos to do. Applying Tuhos to do becomes Ki will become Chi. Then we can say Chi, Abhyasa Cha, this will become Chi. Right? Then finally Shato. So this will become Chakara. The final Rupam is Nakara and Chakara. Therefore, we can apply the Sandhi rule. So this Nakara will become Nakara. So Parasavana Inchi Kisha. So Inchi Kisha. So get Inchi Kishati. Inchi Kishati, Inchi Kishataha, Inchi Kishanti. So Inkitum Ichati. Inkitum Ichati, Inchi Kishati. Inkitum Ichati, Inchi Kishati. Then check the Sanantarupam. Inchi Kishati, Inchi Kishataha, Inchi Kishanti. And Langurupam would be A plus E will become I. So there you get Inchi Kishat, Inchi Kishataha, Inchi Kishan. Inchi Kishat, Inchi Kishatam, Inchi Kishan. Okay. Then the next Dhatu. Inkitum ichati inchikishati. Okay. The next dhatu. Dhatu. Check whether this dhatu is
Nakara has become Nyakara by Kuhoshchua.
this nikara. No. Anuswara is a parasavarna.
Oh,
The sandhi that is. Not Kugoshchuku. Kugoshchuku only for Abhyasa. That is, this is written,
okay.
that's why written bracket and giving. That is
Okay.
Abhyasa. Kugoshchuku here it is Kugoshchuku. And
Okay.
further it is by Abhyasa Charcha. Right?
Yeah. That is it. Oh, Anuswara se Parasavarna.
Anuswara is here, a parasavarna. Then the next one is, there is one more Kudatu. Or Iki, that. I think now we did Dhatu. Iki Dhatu. I think this is what we did. No, same thing.
Yes.
This is what we did. But one more dhatu was is there, but anyway, it's not given to the website. Okay, leave that. Not to do. Then
But here, Dirgha is there. A previous one is Hraswa. So difference is there between
oh,
that
really?
and this.
Oh, previous one is Rastwa. Okay.
Yeah.
Check. Yes, Jirga is there. Okay. Let us take Jirga. Iki. This is also same meaning. Iki paras Vadigara parasepari sakarmata dhatu said. So let us do that. So this is Iki. Same meaning. Then Irito Num dhatu by that. So the first vowel is changed. So what the form finally get is the same. Chikishati must be the form. Yes. Chikishati, Chikishataha. I think in Lang Lakara, we will have the same form. A plus E anyway, it is Vriddhi. I only. So Lang Lakara, for both these dhatu, we will have the same form. Chikishati, Chikishtaha, Chikishanti. And Lang Lakara will be Chikishat. So even for Ink also the same group, because Vriddhi, artist Vriddhi. So Lang Lakara Rupam is common for both the dhatu. Okay, Inchikishati. Therefore, here it is Inkitum Ichati. Tantum Ichati Ityartaha. Okay. Then the next one, 14th dhatu. I think already we have done Ag dhatu. Then skip that. Then we can do Arch dhatu. Have we done Arch? But also I think Archichisha. Some other, I think we have done Archichishati. But anyway, an example probably we have done it. Now we will do it here. Arch dhatu. Arch, so many dhatus are there. Arch puja, yeah. So if we can take this to be the Vadigan dhatu pujaya. Vadigana parasmepadi said dhatu, arch dhatu. Said dhatu, therefore, itagama, you get archi, ajadehe ditiyasya, and nandraha sayoghadaya. By that, repa will not be there, part of this abhyasa, therefore, chis and chisa. Then aladisheshaha, chi will remain. Then by Suhoshchuhu, Archi is nothing will happen. So Archi Chisha, let's join. Archi. Tisha. Then Shattam, Architisha. So get Architisha, Architishati. So Architam Ichati, Architishati. Architam Ichati, Architishati. So Architisha can be converted into Pradanta by adding U. You get the form Archi Chishu. Like a Chikir Shu, Archichishu, Karanta Shabda. Architam Ichuhu, referring to the person who desires to do puja. Archichishu iti Pratipadikam. That can be declared like Guru Shabda. Okay, next one. Archidatu done. The next dhatu, Anchu dhatu. Anchu also. Gati Pujana Yoga Anchu dhatu. Yeah, Anchu dhatu. Anchu Gati Pujana Yoga. Vadigana Parasme Pavidatu. That is side of dhatu. So Anchu, the content is Anch. Puja, Gati Pujana Yoga. Vadigana Parasme Padi Sakarmaka dhatu, said dhatu. So Anch dhatu. Anch plus sun. Anch plus sun, you get Anchi, Anchisa. And this Nakara is because of Nakara, that will not be participated in Uttam, therefore you can separate out. Therefore, you are also Chisa, then you get the same thing. Aladi Sheshaha, then Shatvam. So you have Anchitisha. So Anchitisha, Anchitishati, Anchitishaha, Anchitishanti. So Anchitam Ichati, Anchitishati. Then check the Rupam, Anchitam Ichati, Anchitishati. Anchitishati, Anchitishaha, Anchitishanti. Rupam.
I have one doubt, Jay. Before
Yes.
that, Iki Dhatu, you told for removing that Nyakara out, you said Nanandra Hasa Yoga, right? How come that? I don't understand.
How come?
Nanandra Hasa Yoga is saying that only Dakara, Nakara, and Repa, no, Jay? Nyakara,
Nakara,
how come
Dakara,
they are
Repa.
taking out?
This Nakara
Why
is
you are
because
taking?
of Idid Dhatu, right?
Oh,
Ito Num
yeah.
Dhatu, Num only. Its form is Nakara.
Oh, okay. That is Num. Okay, okay. Yes. Okay, then
So Nimitta Paya, Nimitika Payam. Suppose here, if you remove Kha, it will be Nakara only. It's
okay.
always Nakara only because of Parastavana it is happened. It's not something. Nakara become Nakara because of this the Kakara, therefore Nakara, and Kakara has become Chakara, therefore it again becomes Parastavana. So in fact,
Okay.
Parasavana is applied 2 times. In the beginning, it is. Otherwise, you can take this is the beginning here itself. You can take it is Nakara and Kakara.
Okay.
In fact, this is how in the website it is given. Okay. It's also okay if you understand this way. Also, it's fine. If it's confusing, make it like this.
Okay.
It will be okay now. Huh? Yeah, this is okay, right?
Okay.
Make it like this. Then. So it is all the way Nakara one. So only one time Parasavana you apply. Yeah. And finally, you apply here. It is. You can check. Okay, Mandra right?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. See, there is a statement I was just looking at. That is, Ajaridatu having Ittagama as it Dvitiya H, second H, because Ajaridatu, second H will undergo duplication, right? Second H, and if you take the Ekach Dhatu and Ajari Dhatu, second H will undergo duplication, means Ikara will undergo duplication, right? So those dhatus whose second Avayava Ekach, Dvitiya Avayava Ekach. So that is the it alone will undergo duplication, right? So here it said, don't do Dvitam. Because before do Dvitam, you do the Angakarya. That is why in the case of Ru, we did. But what sutra, why it is, that I will say. Okay, this is a statement given in the commentary that here, since this is Ajadi Dhatu and it is said Dhatu, the second H will undergo duplication, the second Avayava H will undergo duplication, the E will undergo duplication. In that case, before making Jittam, you do the Angakarya. You do the Angakarya. Okay, that is why it will become Ar. It will become Ar.
Everywhere, Ji, or
Huh?
for everywhere or only for here?
It is all throughout we have done like that only. All the examples you see, we have done Angakarya first and then Jittam. Most of the authors here, they are not said, they are anit. The examples means the beginning. Beginning also we have Ekach Dhatu, but it is anit. So therefore, when Sani Pratyaya follows, the Dirghatam happens, etc. That we apply. Okay. If you take Dhatu here, Usa. So here, this Angakarya, this is Angakarya. Here it is not Guna Angakarya, some Angakarya, 6-4 section is applied. Angakarya is done first and then we do Dvitakarya. You do then Dvitakarya here. But of course, here it is the second, it is not it. So there is no problem here. Right? But here it comes R and E. Both are together. Therefore, there's a statement. There's a statement, it says, when there is, it is Ajari Dhatu and Eka, Dvitiya Avayava, if it happens to be Itakama, that E, then do the Angakarya. Okay. Right?
Is it a Vartikam or Ruji?
This is a statement, not a Vartika. This is a statement. The Hindi commentary it is given. Okay. I'll give another example later. No, next class I'll give. That's one Dhatu, Urnu. Under Urnu Dhatu, this is discussed. We will see. Urnu Dhatu. Okay. Then Riddha plus one letter. Riddha Dhatu, which we did, there it is. Okay. Dhatu. Riddha Dhatu. Okay, leave it. Next class, I'll tell you what that is. By this statement, so therefore, the second, it happens to be Itagama, then Dvitam first, followed by the Guna Karya first, and then followed by Dvitam. Okay. Then Anchu Dhatu, we did. Next one. In Addhatu and all, we don't have problem here. There is no Gunanga Karya. Only Gunanga Karya, then this, if it is not Ajadisan, if it's not Ajadisan, at least Dirgottam will happen. But here it is Ajadisan. That's why this comes. You cannot do the Dvittam. How will you do the Dvittam when two vowels are there? So therefore, the question comes. Therefore, the statement is that when the Dvitiya Ach happens to be the Ikara of the Ittagama, then do the Angakarya and then do the Dvitakarya. Fine. Okay, then the next one, the 16th Dhatu. Sixteenth Dhatu is, you can take Dhatu, Anch Dhatu. Achi. This is also Idit Dhatu. Achi, Ayame. Achi, it is. Therefore, Num will come. Idit Dhatu. Therefore, Ito Num Dhatu, Anch. The meaning is Ayame, Vadigana, Prasmapari, Sakaramaka, said Dhatu. Ayame, to elongate, to expand. So, Vadigana, Prasmapari, Sakaramaka, said. So, Anch Dhatu plus Sun. Said, therefore, Itagama, we have Anchi, Sa, and An, Nandra Sanyogadaya, An will be out, then Chi, Chisa. It is already Chi, therefore, to goes to who may not apply. So, Abhyasa Charcha, you can apply. So, by that, Chi will become Chi. Then you will have Parasavanaha, therefore, Anchi, Chisha. Mattam also happens. So, the form is Anchi Chisha. Anchi Chishati, Anchi Chishataha, Anchi Chishanti. The same form we given Anchi Chishati to the website. You can take. Anchitum Ichati, Anchi Chishati. And Lang Rupam Anchishat. So here it is Anchi, Anchitum Ichati becomes Anchi Chishati. Okay, then the next dot you can take Ajdat Gati Kshepana Yoho. Gati Kshepana Yoho. Eighteenth Dhatu. Dhatu is Aja, that is content is Aj. Gati Kshepana Yoho. Bodhigana Parasmapari Sakaramata said that. So here it is Aj plus Sun. So Aj plus Sun becomes Ajisha. Itakama, then Ajisa. Ajadeke Dutiyasya. So G will undergo duplication. So G undergo duplication. But here, something important. What is that? Now see the Sutra Patha. The Sutra Patha, 2-4 section. 2-4 section, when Adhidhatu Pratyaya follows, there's a rule. There's a Dhatu Adesha. Ajege. There you can see. Ajege, we Aganya Pogo, 2456 Sutra. By that, for Ajidhatu, when Adhidhatu Pratyaya follows, there is an Adesha. Dhatu Adesha. What is the Adesha? V Adesha. This also we have seen. These are in our Sutra list. Adidesha. Dhatu Adesha. Ajay Dhatoho V Adesha Bhavati. So V will be the Adesha in the place of Ach when followed by Adadhataka Pratyaya excepting Ghai and Ab. So let us see the Sutra. We have seen this in one line on the website. So same thing. 2456. Dhatu Adesha. 2456. Ajay. So Ajay Dhatoho V iti ayam Adesha Bhavati. Adadhatake te prataha Ghayapo Vardhigitva. Now here it is San Pratyaya. So therefore, what will happen? Aj Dhatu should be replaced by V. So therefore, Aj plus San, we can make it here. Aj is replaced by V plus Isa. Aj Dhatu now it is replaced by V plus Isa. Jal, by that, Angakarya is negated. V is Iganta. So we may ask, why can't we do the Angakarya? Why can't we do the Angakarya? We cannot do the Angakarya. By Jal, Angakarya is negated. Right? I should write one here. So Jal, by that, Angakarya is negated. Therefore, B plus Isa. Here also same. B plus Isa, what will happen? B plus Isa. It is no more, it is Ajadi. Now it has become Halari Dhatu. B plus Isa. Jal says, Jal is only for Jaladi. Not here, it is not Jaladi, right? Here it is not Jaladi. Jal negates Angakarya only for Jaladisa. Yeah, but here it is a said Dhatu. Okay. So it is a said Dhatu followed by San. So here what happens? V plus Isa. V plus Isa. V plus Isa is Achadi. It is Saladi and it is same condition as R. Get Isha. We do. I also don't know yet. I will try. V plus Isa. So if we take it as Visa, and it is Aladi, therefore Pratamastya Dve Bhavati. So V's, then Visa. So Aladi Sheshaha, by that V will be there. V and Visa. Then V will be Raswaha, by that becomes Raswa, V. V Visa. Then Shatram happens. Therefore, you get Visha. So you get the form Visha. I don't know whether it is correct.
Correct.
Huh?
According to website, Vivishati is the.
Oh, Vivisha is there.
Okay.
But this also looks similar to okay. I don't know. Let me check and tell you. So this also. Why don't we do the Angakarya? V will become why then you will not get the Ishtarupa. B is it undergoes Angakarya. The B will become way, wherein way become Y. Okay, anyway, so Savarna Dirgha Sandhi just simply joining and B. So I'll explain this, okay, to check that also. Why it is so. Somewhere I'm something missing. So therefore here it is V plus Tuman is V will undergo Guna, therefore it is Vetum. Vetum Ichati. Vetum Ichati iti Vivishati. So Vivishati, Vivishataha, Vivishanti. And this maybe this optionality is there here for Ach. Va is the probably is beginning as Anuvruti from the Sutra. Sutra Pata you can see. So replacement of Ach by V is if you take it as optional, then probably another Rupam also we will get. If you don't replace it by V, then you have the Sananta Rupam, Ajijisha possible. So that's why he has given another form also. Ajijishati, Ajijishataha. So here it is Vikalpena. Yes, Va doesn't come as Anuvruti. Maybe some commentator bring as Anuvruti, therefore the form is another form is there. Okay. I'll give some more dhatus, you can try. And this I'll let you know why Guna. See, we said Guna, if we do Angakarya and then Vittam Angakarya, it's same. But here, if you do, it's a problem. We don't get. We suppose if V becomes takes Guna, then become Ve plus Isa. Completely the Rupam will change. So you will have Vagisa. Isa means completely different. So then in that case, it is Dvirvachane Achi. Dvirvachane Achi. By that we cannot go. 159. Achvarna se sthani. So yes, Stanivat Adeshaha Nal Vidau. Either you go Bikashika and Siddhanta Kaumudi, you get the same Rupam. Why we do this? Rikata Sutram Vina Eva, Ado Nityatvan, Ajadesh Ikate, Ajadesha Nityatvan, Stanut Vina Eva, Ashtarupam Siddhyat. Ishtasu Sutra Rupa Siddhyartam, Rakta Sutra Se Prayoga, Kutra Avashaka Vatate, Bhashikara says in this place it comes. Okay. So, without the sutra itself, we get Ishtarupa. So, it means the sutra does this Tanivat Adesha according to Kashikara. It doesn't do Tanivat Adesha according to Siddhanta Kamadikara by bringing the Na from the previous sutra. So, therefore, when it comes to Dirvachana, when Achadi Nimitya Pratyaya Pare, first Angakarya followed by Vitvam. That is Kamadikara. That is what we take, it is easier also. But in such places, we have problem. I mean, if you go by Kamadikara, it is no problem. So if you take by Kashikara, then if you do Angakarya first and then Dvittam, there we have problem. Stanivat Adeshaha. Stanivat Adeshaha. Probably the situation. Just give me a minute. Let me just think what will happen if you do the case of Rikara. Suppose if I do Ajadeshaha, Stani with Dvitakartavya. If you do Ajadesha, then it is Ar. Then if you do with Dvitakartavya, it will be Stani, then it will be R and Ar. It is R plus R, then R, then Arisa you get. So I'm doing Angakarya first. No, sorry. I already have done. I'm doing I'm doing Dittam first, and then Angakarya. So if it is Ru, and Ru will be replaced by Angakarya happens Isa. So here you get Arisa. And what will happen to Ru? Ru will be replaced by Urat, will be replaced by Ar. Then you get here it is Ar. Here only the problems. So if it is Pitve Kartavire, so this is wrong. Therefore, Ru, it is Ajadi, and duplication is done. Then Ru, this is Abhyasa. Abhyasa will be replaced by Urat. The Ru plus Isa, this will be replaced by Ar. Therefore, you will have Arisa. You will have the Anishtarupa. Ara Risati formal. Ara Risha. That is Anishtarupa. It should be Hari Risha. Okay, this check and tell you. Okay. Similarly, Ridhatu, similarly, we also. We also, why don't we do the Angakarya first? Yeah.
Don't apply that Sanyataha. That is to make it Tikara.
Sanyataha.
We don't apply to make that sorry.
Some mistake. Whether I don't know, knowingly doing or not, I don't
Can't
know.
we do that? We can make it as Ari, no? Same then. Oh,
Ru plus Isa, then Sanyaho.
Sanyataha.
Sanyataha says that is San.
Abhyasa, Ikara is substituted for the Akara.
No, Akara is substituted by E.
Oh.
That is not applied, right? That is
After Urat, we can't apply Sanyataha.
here
No.
you're telling.
Yeah.
No, the process itself is
No.
wrong.
The
The previous one is Guna done and then Dvitakarya. Angakarya done and then Dvitakarya. So if I do Dvitam first, what will happen? So supposed to form has to come. Right? Then some problem is that. If I do Dvitam first, then this is Abhyasa. Urat will apply, therefore you will have Ar. And Dru will undergo Angakarya because of Isa following Adadatika Pratya, therefore you will have Ar. Arisa you will get. This is next to the here it should E should come. Okay. Jitve kartavye, then it will be Sthanivat Pavati. Ajadeshaha. Okay, I'll tell you later. If you do, what will happen? See why should not be done also, we have to know. Then only the clarity will be there. Okay. Somewhere something I'm missing. I don't know what I'll tell you in the next class. I'll give some the dhatu as an example for your homework. You can try in addition to whatever you have done before. So this is a year. So here I will give some dhatu, you can try. There are so many ajanta dhatus are there. Arya dhatu, but I took a long list. Age dhatu. These dhatus are simple. So you will not have problem in getting the Rupa. So At dhatu already we have done. So then At dhatu, Iti dhatu, It dhatu. Here and all you will not have problem because it is Alanta dhatu. So, no problem. It is Ajanta followed by E, then there we have situation. And dhatu. There is one more dhatu. I think Adrad. You could see the sutra, website sutra, dhatu pata. Yeah, this adda dhatu. Dhatu is adda, not Adrad. I'll give some 10 dhatus. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 10. Then own dhatu. Simple dhatu, at. So 9 plus 1. One more is atum. Udit dhatu. This is udit dhatu. Udit dhatu from that. Dhatu is yeah, ati. Not udit. Ati dhatu. Bandhani. Otherwise, no, I will do it. So it is ati. So you can try this dhatu. This dhatu will not have problems. Simple form only. You can try this dhatu. Tukarada dhatu, and here it will be. I tell you. Here we also we do Angakarya. Angakarya is Nitya. If you do, then we get problem. Okay. Fine. I'll tell you in the next class. Something I'm missing. I'm not able to think. Okay. We'll stop here. Please try this dhatu. Next we will meet. Yeah, the Tuesday. Tomorrow Sanskritam class will not be there. Of course, Sunday also no class. Sunday also no class. Monday no class. Monday also will not have. So next Friday we will meet for Samasa class. Okay. Stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸರ್. ಇದರ PDF ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
PDF word file enter.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. You can try this 10 dhatu. 10 dhatu last class dhatu panningla adu.
Yeah, we have done it. It's easy
Very
only. All
easy,
similar
right?
type.
It's similar only. Yeah. Okay. So this too I'll clarify next class. Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.